Hello guys, how are you? Let's learn some colors names. Red color, pink color, purple color, blue color, dark green color, yellow color, light green color. Today we will learn alphabets A, B, C, D, A to Z. Let's start. Alphabet A. A for avocado. A for aeroplane. B. B for ball. B for bag. C. C for chocolate. C for car. D. D for dolphin. D for diamond. E. E for elephant. E for eagle. F. F for family. F for fruit. G. G for gold. G for garden. H. H for helicopter. H for house. I for ice cube. I for ice. J. J for juice. J for junior. J. K. K for kiwi. K for kangaroo. L. L for lion. L for lychee. M. M for money. M for man. N for nuts. N for newsletter. N. O. O for octopus. O for orange. P. P for princess. P for pineapple. Q. Q for queen. Q for question. R. R for rose. R for rabbit. S. S for sky. S for school. T. T for train. T for teacher. U. U for university. U for unicorn. V. V for vulture. V for violin. W. W for window. W for watermelon. X. X for X-ray. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yellow. Y for yogurt. Z. Z for zero. Z for zebra. This is green color. Now let's revise them once again. Let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel. See you in our next videos. Bye bye. Hello cute friends, how are you? Let's learn some colors names. Blue color, purple color, pink color, green color, light green color, yellow color, red color. Today we will learn animals' names. Let's revise first and then write. Tiger, cat, dog, elephant, let's start writing. Tiger. T I G E R. Tiger. Tiger. Cat. C A T. Cat. Cat. Dog. D O G. Dog. Purple color. Dog. Elephant. E L E. Ellie. B H A N D. Elephant. Red color. Let's revise once again. Tiger. 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 Cat. C-A-T. Cat. Cat. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Now let's match the colors. This is black color. This is green color. This is purple color. Which color is this, kids? Purple color. This is red color. Red elephant. Red color. Which color? Red color. Black, green, purple, red. Now let's revise once again. Black color, black. Green color, green. Purple color, purple. Red color, red. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.